Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Once the carton content information is successfully submitted to Amazon and there is no error occurred for that particular process, the next step for the partnered carrier program will be requesting the transportation estimation from the Amazon shipping carriers. Based on the carton content details, Amazon partner carrier will calculate the shipping cost and provide it to the seller. Let me show you this process in Odoo. Here I am in the Amazon application. I'll go to the inbound shipment. I'll go to the inbound shipment for which we have already submitted the carton content information successfully. Once the information is submitted, you can see the option to estimate transport request. Here you can see the transport status is still working. Now once I click on this estimate transport request button, system will request an estimation on the shipping fees from Amazon and then the status will move to estimating from working. And here I can see the option to get transport content. Now once it is generated and estimated by Amazon, the status will move to estimated from estimation. I can see the estimation details over here. What is the amount estimated by Amazon, the currency, confirm deadline date. That means before this date, seller would need to confirm this transportation request, and the void deadline date. Like if this is not acceptable by seller, they can void the transport request. Now once the seller is okay with this estimation, they can click on confirm transport request button, and when they confirm it, the transportation status will change to confirming from estimated, and once it is confirmed, it will be moved to confirmed state from confirming. Now once it is confirmed, now sometimes it also happens that while it is in the estimation stage, there are some technical error on the Amazon carrier side, due to which we are getting the error in this estimation. In this case, we can either try after a few moments or we can directly check the estimation on our seller center. But once it is estimated and confirmed, if the user want to void this transportation, they can void it before this deadline. After estimation is received by Amazon, seller doesn't confirm the transportation within 24 hours. Amazon considers this as the confirmation and they will automatically confirm it. This was the partnered carrier program for the small parcel service. If you are doing the LTL partnered, then the process will slightly vary. Let me show you what additional information you would need to add when you are doing LTL. So when you are doing LTL, you need to add certain information like the contact information. It will be the person in your organization who is responsible for the shipment, and this will be used by the carrier if they have any questions about the shipment. The next information will be seller freight class. Seller freight class of the shipment, that will be for the information about the determination of the freight class. This is the freight class of the shipment. If you have any questions about your freight class, then you can contact your carrier. If you do not provide the freight class, Amazon will estimate the freight class based on the content of the shipment. Then the next is freight ready date. This will be the date by when the shipment will be ready to be picked up by the carrier. So this was the additional information that a seller need to add when they are doing LTL. So this was all about getting estimation for the partnered carrier program. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.